Roll, nerds. Come on up, sir.
Do I stand here?
Marco Balderas.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Balderas, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. It looks like you're also charged with failing to comply with the. I don't know what the hell that is. Let's read the information. On October 1st, 2024, did then and there unlawfully operated motor vehicle. No, that's not it. On about October 21, 24, did then and there unlawfully while driving and operating a vehicle collide with and damaged an unattended vehicle operated by Figueroa, hereinafter called the complainant. The defendant did intentionally and knowingly fail to locate the complainant and give the complainant the name and address of the victim. All right, so failure to stop and give information. On both of those cases, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On October 18th, 2024, officer with precinct 4 saw that her parked patrol car had been hit by another car. The wheel witness approached the officer and advised she saw a gray pickup truck hit the patrol vehicle. The wheel witness believed the pickup truck driver was intoxicated because he was driving erratically and nearly struck a cyclist on the same road. Less than 1 hour later, officers were dispatched to a vehicle matching the description, stopped in a moving lane of traffic with the occupant asleep inside. The officer observed front end and paint damage that matched the damage to the officer's vehicle. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 6 out of 8, one leg stand 1 out of 4. The DIC was read and breath was consented to. The results were 0.134 and 0.132.
IDWIs?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Balderas, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your cases. Do you have a valid Texas driver license? Do you have valid liability insurance in your name?
Lucy, sir.
Are you sure? Are you absolutely sure you have car insurance? Okay, you're not allowed to drive unless you have both, and I'm making that a condition of your bond. I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? How old are you?
28.
You're 28? What do you do for a living?
Real estate agent. I'm a real estate agent.
Okay. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign and reset. After that, we'll get you with pretrial for you to sign your bond conditions. Then you'll get out of here. I'm going to tell you now that this is a DWI. There's a lot of time requirements. So don't sit and wait a month or two because you're only hurting yourself. You understand? I would get on it quick. All right, please. Chase. Ma'am, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Judge. The complainant filed a report with officers after being assaulted at a Whataburger in Harris County, Texas. During the incident, the complainant was behind the defendant in the drive-thru. The complainant believed that she put her vehicle in park and released her brake. However, the vehicle rolled forward and struck the defendant's vehicle. The defendant got out and began yelling at the complainant. The defendant then opened the complainant's door and began striking the complainant in the face, causing pain. During the report, the officer observed the complainant had a busted lip and broken blood vessels in the eye. The officers were able to view the Whataburger surveillance of the assault, as well as a video taken by a witness showing the assault.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you not to go back to this Whataburger and not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons as well. These are your bond conditions. If you violate these conditions, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. You understand? Okay. What do you do for a living, ma'am? What do you do for a living?
Cancer advocate.
Do you have a steady income with them?
Yeah, I do the nonprofit as well. I have a nonprofit organization.
So how much money do you make a month? From all sources, would you say? Okay, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. You need a lawyer to represent you because this can and certainly will affect any kind of nonprofit organizations, if you try to get any kind of funding, it's gonna just kill it. So you need a lawyer, okay? I'm gonna have you sign a receipt of Victoria. After that, we'll have you take your seat in the jury box. I'm gonna get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and then you'll be free to go. Be careful, man. Life's too short.
I know.
Please.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm good.
Mr. Smith, you're charged with theft.
Yes, sir.
You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 10 days that you've done. On the trespass, is that one getting dismissed? As part of your agreement, your other case, the trespass, is going to be dismissed.
Okay.
Do you know how many thefts this makes for you?
I'm only aware of one that I did from J.C. Penney's.
He only has this and an indecent exposure.
Oh, yeah.
You got to understand that this is an enhanceable offense. What that means is that if you continue to pick up theft cases, at some point they can hit you with a felony offense because they can use this to enhance your punishment.
Yeah.
From now on, also, you'll be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So
I don't want that. I'm gonna go out there and be good. If I do get out, it's up to you guys. I mean, I don't know anything about this. I I've kept my nose clean, but I don't want to get into it. I mean, just whatever, God's punishing me and wants me to be quiet. I'm just gonna do what you say. That's all.
Mr. Smith, you're going to get out today.
Okay, that's all. God just wants me to be quiet. I've been preaching. I don't want to preach anymore. I've been doing it for years, and God just wants me to be quiet and go out there and get my check on my own. And that's all. God is. I don't know the words to put it. You could have nailed me for something big,
Mr. Smith, the only other thing I'd like to tell you is that when you pick up criminal cases,
Yes, sir.
if you come back to court, good things happen.
Yeah.
When you don't show up to court, this is what happens. So you give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to
I don't know. I
testify.
mean, I don't know what all this stuff means. I don't know. I mean, I'm trying
This
to
is the
learn, but I
stuff
don't
that
know.
I went over with you back in the back.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what all this stuff means. It's new to me, and it's
You
really,
don't want a trial, do you?
I don't know what that means.
Those were six people from the community.
I don't want a trial, do I? I mean, I just want to get out of here. That's all.
Okay. Well, we're working that for you.
Oh,
So just got to make sure that you don't pick up any more cases.
okay. Don't
because
pick up any more cases. Okay.
if you do, you're looking at 30 days from now on.
Okay.
So got to understand also that you give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this or undo this. It will go on your record. It will be there forever. If you're not a citizen, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. Once we're done today, you're done forever. This is what you want to do.
Yeah.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
If I plead guilty, that means I get to go?
I mean,
Yeah.
that means
But
that
are you
took
guilty?
you took the pants from J.C. Penney. Did you take the pants?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
So then,
Okay.
are you guilty or?
I'm guilty.
Okay.
That means I get to go?
That means you plead guilty, he will sentence you, and then you'll be free to go.
Okay.
Mr. Smith, we wish you the best of luck.
Okay, thank you. I mean, thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, you too. You take care of yourself. Okay.
Lori, you okay?
He was back there, he was answering my questions about